Good morning, everyone. In this video, we're going to start with 7.6. Paragraph 7.6 is one of the most difficult ones in chapter 7. It's about actual applications of the quadratic equations, and this is one of the first ones. And there will be two videos on this paragraph. This first one is about intersection points. Intersection points. And as you can see, there are two graphs over here. The blue one is the parabola that belongs to y equals x squared minus 2. And the black line is the graph of y equals minus 2x minus 2. Besides that, I also drew 2 points A and B, which are the intersection points. And we want to find them. And to find them, we will use a quadratic equation. So what is definitely true on both of these 2 points? Well, the value of y is the same. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down something which might seem odd, but hopefully it will make some sense. I'm going to write down that y is equal to y. And hopefully you're wondering, why did I use 2 different colors? Well, with this y, I mean the y coordinate, the blue parabola. With the black one, it's the y coordinate of the black line. They are equal at those 2 points, so this is correct. But so far, we're actually stuck, so we have to do something. What are we going to do? We're going to use these 2 formulas, and we're going to fill them in. So the blue one, x squared minus 2x, not minus 2x, just minus 2, sorry, is equal to minus 2x minus 2. Okay, well, so what I did is I took basically the right side of these formulas and I said they are equal at those 2 intersection points. That should make some sense, because if you fill x equals 0 in at this point, then both of these things will give you the same result. So let's see what happens if we solve this. If I see something like this, the first thing I think of is the product sum method. So to do that, I'm going to try and move everything to the left side. So the x squared is already there. Then I'm going to add 2x to both sides. Oh, let's do it like this. Plus 2x plus 2x. Then I have x squared plus 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Well, I want to remove this minus 2, so I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So x squared plus 2x, the 2 actually cancels out, so equals 0. So the problem, no, not really. We can use the product sum method, but usually when you see this, you're trying to factorize this by looking for common factors, which in this case it should be easy. It's what we did in paragraph 2. The common factor is x. We can divide both of these things by x, which means I'm going to write down x and open up our brackets. Then the first thing in between those brackets is x plus, hopefully you got the number 2, and so like this. Why did we do this again? Well, if we do this, we can use the a times b equals 0 thing, in which a is 0 or b is 0. So either this first part is 0, x is 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this case, x is just 0, or x is equal to minus 2. So now we have to think, and for some of you that might be obvious, you can do it for this instance. Which of these 2 belongs to A and which one belongs to B? Well, obviously this one belongs to B. This one belongs to A. But we're not done yet. We want to know the coordinates. We don't want to know the x values. We do need them, but that's not everything that we want to. So now we're going to fill in both of these numbers into one of these two formulas. Which formula you might ask, it doesn't matter because both of them will give you the same answer. Let's choose the first one. Y equals, so I'm going to use y equals x squared minus 2. I could have also used this one, but I don't know why I'm using that one, just because I like it. If I fill in B, I get y equals 0 squared minus 2. 0 squared, that's just 0, minus 2, minus 2. So now I have an x coordinate of B, a y coordinate of B, so point B is the coordinate 0, minus 2. Let's do something similar for A, so we're taking the same formula, y equals 2x squared minus 2, and we're going to fill in minus 2. So what happens in that case? Well, minus 2 squared minus 2. Minus 2 squared minus 2 times minus 2, that's 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the coordinates of A is out of minus 2 and 2. So the intersection points, these points. So what did we do? Basically, if you want like a step-by-step manual, step 1 was find an equation. Not an equation, actually the correct one, but you know what I mean. It's finding this. Step 2 is solving the equation. Step 3, using the values of x. X values to find the y values. Step 4, the last one, is just writing down coordinates. So in our workings, well, this over here was step 1. Step 2 actually is the biggest one. Then this was step 3, also a pretty difficult one. And then step 4 was an easy one. Hopefully you see this over there as well, and hopefully you could follow this. Well, if that's not the case, just let me know. Good luck anyway.